Hello and welcome back to another video. You are watching just at click.com, and this video is specially designed for the gadget out here or specially dedicated to HP EliteBook 725 out here. A very interesting gadget out there. Talking about this gadget, we can say that EliteBook series was really amazing and specifically designed for the corporate world. Yes, HP usually designs its gadget uh, keeping in mind the corporate world, environmental factors out there so that it can work optimally in those conditions. Having a security chip system of TPM Security 1.2, it is offering the same out here. As well as HP series has always been incorporated with the Windows operating system, and this can be seen on the inspiration also. Windows operating system could be seen. Along with that, you get to see 64-byte computerization technology out there. Talking about this variant, it has got a good screen size of 12.5 inches. Yes, the screen size is quite good, which is 12.5 inches screen size with a medium range designed out here, offering you a processor or the processing system CPU of Intel Core i5. Yes, Intel Core i5 could be seen out on this variant with amazing featuring, as well as it has got a good storage capacities out in the hard drive, RAM, cache, everything is really good. Talking about these things, let us talk about specifically each and every point. And when we talk about this variant, then we can say it has got a good dimensions. If we talk about this, then it has got 46.4 millimeters thickness. Is the thickness out here is very thin, 46.4 millimeters out there, whereas length and breadth are included in the form of 193 into 286. So it is good and compact out there. It's not very large out there so that you cannot carry it. It is a compy version out there. Talking about this variant, then we can say that this version out here offers you a normal weight. It weighs approximately 2.4 kgs out there. Yes, 2.4 kg is the weightage out here, offering you a good battery life with a good screen size of 12.5 inches. Talking about the processor, talking about the processing system, talking about the process inbuilt in it, it offers you ARM Radeon, or usually it is from Intel out there, but this time you might see it is also collaborated with the core processing of i5. Yes. When we talk about this core 5 processing, when we talk about this processing and everything, what kind of processor does we get to see in other variations? EliteBook series usually, or the HP series especially, use either Intel vPro technology or ARM Radeon technology. So ARM Vision or Intel vPro technology are the basic two technologies used out by HP entire series. Whereas this series offer you, or this gadget that is 725 out here offers you base clock speed of 2 gigahertz. Yes, base clock speed of 2 gigahertz could be seen out on this variant with a cache memory of 4 MB. So you get to have a cache memory of 4 MB. Along with that, you also get to see it offers you a RAM of 4 GB out here. Yes, you get to have 4 GB inbuilt RAM. That is a fixed RAM out here. Whereas the hard drive, if we talk about the hard drive storage, because 4 GB or the RAM itself does not define it. Hard drive storage is approximately 180 GB in the form of SSD. Yes, you get to have SSD form 180 GB hard drive storage. Overall, it is working very well. Overall, it is offering you a great specifications out there. Talking about the screen, that is 12.5 inch screen size, it is offering you a good screen of LED out there with amazing specifications. So let us talk about the graphics also, because graphic plays an important role. Talking about the graphical part, then it offers you ARM Radeon graphics out there. Yes, ARM Radeon R5 graphics could be seen out with a technology of or a RAM variation or technologies out there with video memory technology and all. When we talk about this variant, then we can say that RAM is really important in every gadget, because RAM defines a lot of things out in every gadget. Talking about the RAM, which is 4 GB installed RAM out here, offers you DDR3 RAM variant along with a speed of or memory speed of approximately 7200 RPM. 7200 megahertz out, or 1333 megahertz out there. And when we are talking about the speed out there, it is not offering any hard drive speed because it is in the form of SSD. Now, when we are talking about this variant, when we are talking about this version, then we can say that it has got a good integrated webcam built in it. Yes, if we talk about the webcam, then it has got really good webcam out here, offering you a good stereotype speakers and microphones inbuilt in it. Along with that, you also get to see that the variant out here, this variant offers you a good range of connectivity with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB connectivities, audio input output connectivity, power connectivity, SD card reading connectivity. Along with that, you get to see other connectivities with flash card, memory card out there. Now, when we are talking about this variant, then we can say that this variant out here offers a good battery life also. So every other thing is possible out there along with these things. But are these specifications sufficient? Because if we want any gadget, we would like to have it in a pocketable rate. So talking about the rating and talking about the pricing, let us visit this website. The website name justatclick.com. Yes, the website name justatclick.com offers you amazing pricing because they offer you best market price out here. Yes, they are offering you best market price. Along with that, it also offers you amazing pricing for other specifications out there. Now, talking about this site, we can search this gadget in this search icon, as well as we get to see that the site out here offers you customizability option. Yes, you get to have customizability option along with it. So let us search this gadget out here. So this is the result out here. It comes with bag free technology, and it's coming with bag free with a small description out here. Along with that, you get to see there is a condition written refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition first and know what are refurbished products all about. Talking about refurbished products or refurbished brand, or talking about the refurbished word itself, it means creating something new like. And when we talk about brand new and refurbished, then we can say they both are similar like products. Actually, brand new products are extension of refurbished. Yes, when we talk about refurbished, then brand new like products or the similar products like that, we can say every brand new product becomes refurbished, or refurbished products are once brand new products are actually the same thing. Now, when we are talking about brand new products and refurbished products, they have got the same design, they have got the same functionality, because refurbished products are a pre-owned gadgets. Yes, these are pre-owned brand new gadgets. Now, how does it work? Like, how are the pre-owned gadgets, brand new like pre-owned gadgets working? When we talk about that, then it follows a small pathway that is base is the company out here. When we talk about the base is the company always which provides you the gadget for the first time. Now, talking about the gadgets, you get to have the gadget out here, as well as you get to see that the gadget has been brought up in the market. Now, this has been brought up in the market. Now, users are buying these gadgets and all. Now, when you get to see that the gadget is for the first time released out in the market, and first time you are having that gadget, it is known as brand new product. Yes, this is known as brand new product then. Now, when we are talking about these gadgets, this terminates the brand new chain. And the brand new products are actually nothing else but we can say new gadgets out there for the first time owned by any user. But what happens after this? Now you have owned that gadget. Now you want to resell it. You don't want to use it anymore. You want some other person to have it, or you want to have a new gadget again. So you want to resell that gadget. And this comes under the category of refurbished. Yes. Now what is this refurbished uh, pathway out here? Every brand new gadget, when owned by any user like us, and after that it is again sold out to another user, it is termed as refurbished or pre-owned gadget. This pre-owned gadget is brought up to a marketplace where it is being resold, where you are going to sell this off. After that, you get to see that this gadget has been brought up in the market. You are going to have this. It is returned as a product condition that is refurbished. Now, it will not be a brand new gadget because it has already been used once. Yes, it has already been used once. It has already been into the market once. It has already been a pre-owned gadget. So it is not a brand new gadget now. It is a refurbished gadget. Now, when we are talking about this ending of refurbished, how the user buys it, we can say that refurbished is extension of brand new. Along with that, you get to see that brand new and refurbished has a major difference in the testing sites. Now, what are these testing sites? These are nothing else but the testing parameters or the testing sites where every gadget is testified and verified out there. Talking about this, we can say that every gadget in brand new has to be tested on various different sites, whereas refurbished gadgets are tested and verified on a same or a single site out there. Yes, they are tested, verified, approved on the same site where you are going to sell your gadget, or where that gadget is going to be resold again. Now let us talk about the testing parameters. Let us talk what are the parameters included in the testing of it. Testing parameters generally include the external parameters and the internal parameters. Yes, there are two different parameters, external and internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, we can say these are actually the parameters which we see directly through our eyes, which can be externally seen. You do not require any software, any tool out there, like displays, screen size, buttons out there, button intactness out there. Talking about the functionality of each button, touchpad, connectors, USB connectors, power jack or input output jacks out there, camera, working of camera, scratches, or the battery, charging capacity, charger. So these kind of things which do not require any component or any software out here. Whereas talking about internal components, you require specialized software, high equipments out there, because these are testing of internal parameters. Yes, internal parameters like chip system, processor, speed, RAM, storage speed out there, drive, power connectors, charging out there, graphics, resolution, display type. So these kind of things, internal connections out there. So these kind of things has to be tested with specialized software, specialized tools, everything out there. Now, when we are talking about these parameters, now parameters are absolutely same. Design is same, functionality is same, everything is same. So why are we preferring, or we are recommending, or we suggest to have a refurbished product once? Because it offers you few benefits. Why? First benefit, it is offering you a pocket friendly rate. Talking about rating, brand new products offers you actually high pricing. Yes, they are quite expensive. When we talk about brand new products, they are quite expensive out here, whereas refurbished products are actually less expensive, or we can say pocketable out here. Talking about these pocketable rates and high pricing, the difference in the pricing causes a huge amount of difference. So this could be said as a savings. So you can have a huge saving if you try out any refurbished product. But when we are talking about brand new and refurbished, the warranty period in brand new products is actually 1 year. Yes, 1 year is the brand new warranty period. Along with that, you get to see exchange policy also. But if you're buying any pre-owned gadget from any place out there or directly from a person, you do not get any warranty period because there is no condition written out here. But if you have a condition written as product type, refurbished or certified refurbished, then it is said as to have a warranty period of 6 months as well as 7-day exchange policy. So you get to have 6 months warranty, 7 exchange policy also. But have you ever thought what would happen if the product fails in any testing. If it fails in any testing out there, it has to be renewed, it has to be manufactured, renewed, or replaced, that part out there from the original part issued by the company. Yes, so it is absolutely safe. It is not using any false part because it is offering you absolutely newly like gadget. Now we can try out these refurbished products, and for refurbished products, this site we were talking at just at click.com. Yes, we are at just at click.com. This site offers you amazing refurbished products. Yes, the site just at click.com offers you amazing refurbished products. Talking about refurbished products or refurbished laptops, there you can have a large selection out there. Yes, you get to have a large selection. Along with that, you get to have great deals because rates out there are very much reasonable. Along with that, you can save a huge amount of savings. Yes, savings because brand new and refurbished products have a difference in their pricing. Along with that, you get to have a 6 months warranty period also. So you get to have that 6 months warranty period. Apart from that, COD and free shipping, money back guarantee, online support system. Apart from that, you get to have a customizability option at the site just at click.com. Yes, just at click.com offers you customizability option. Now talking about customizability, you can customize your gadgets like the RAM out there, or you can customize the storage out there. So these kind of things will be customized, which have been issued by the company itself. So description has the link. You can check out the description box for the link, or you can type on Google just at click.com. So for best pricing, visit out the website. Till then, take care.